default cue because you're not going to need it. You want to go to add, you want to go to curve, and then we're going to go to sampling tree gen. Now, if you don't have this, you can go to edit and you can go to preferences, just type it in, hopefully it should pop up for you guys. So we're going to go to curve, sampling tree gen, and you get a generic tree that just appears in the middle of nowhere. Now don't click anything at this point because we need this at the top, the bottom corner right here. I'm just going to go ahead and move my logo out of the way 1 second. There we go. Okay, so when we get onto this, something that you got to realise with trees is that if you click off this box will never return. For some reason, they just don't have it as an option within any of the other settings. It just randomly disappears, and you have to edit everything as soon as you get the tree. So with the trees, you have load percent, which is at the bottom right here. You can do I can't even pronounce that. Steeman, the Douglas fir, Japanese maple, quaking aspen,